guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited for today's video because today I'm going to be showing you guys everything that came in my Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus this month. Ipsy did send this to me, so thank you to everybody at Ipsy for sending me over the bags. I'm super excited to share them with you guys. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also, don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you guys can be notified every time I upload a video. I upload a video once per week and you don't want to miss them. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So I have both bags here, but before I get started and show you guys the goodies that are in here, I do want to let you guys know, for those who don't know, a little bit about Ipsy. So Ipsy is a monthly online subscription where you can pretty much try out a bunch of beauty products for either $12 a month or $25 a month. So if you're looking to try out new brands or new products, I would definitely recommend you guys check out Ipsy. I'm going to put their info down below for those of you who are interested in checking them out and reading a little more about them. That way you guys can get a little more information on how it works. So this is the Glam Bag for the month of October. This one is $12 a month. So every month the bags are different and they're customized to the theme they're going for. And the theme this month is Your Magic, which I think is so cute because, you know, like Halloween. In the back it says Your Magic, and then at the front it has this little eye with some cosmetics and I think like a moon and a heart, which is so cute. And it says Ipsy right at the bottom, and it also comes with a little moon and a little star right on the zipper. So this bag is very magical looking, very like dark, spooky vibes. So I'm going to open up the bag and show you guys everything that came in here. So the first thing that's in here is the Sunday Riley Retinoid Cream, which I've never tried anything by Sunday Riley before, and I'm really excited because I'm also getting into skincare. You know, now that I'm getting older, I'm looking to try new skincare out, so I'm really excited to be trying this. Next we have this Briogeo Farewell Frizz. I actually tried this already on my extensions and on my hair and it works really well. This is just a frizz control. It's a Rosarco, I hope I'm saying that right, milk leave-in conditioning spray, and like I said, I did enjoy this one, so I'll probably be picking up the full size of this. Next we have the Illuminati Quad Palette. So I've never actually heard or tried this brand before, but these colors are right up my alley. This is something that I would definitely wear all the time. Brown neutral tones are my go-to. If I don't have a natural eye on like this, I'll most likely do something with browns. So I'm really excited about this. I'll probably end up doing an IGTV for this on Instagram. So if you guys are interested in checking that out, I'll put my Instagram right here. Make sure to follow me so you guys don't miss it. And then the last two things that I got in here are two little sample sizes. This is the Smashbox Oil and Shine Control Primer, and then I also got a Bobbi Brown mascara. Smashbox actually makes my favorite primer, so I'm really excited to be trying this out. And then I got the Bobbi Brown mascara. I've never actually tried anything by Bobbi Brown and I really enjoy trying out mascaras, so I'm excited to be trying this one out as well. So for the Glam Bag, I definitely think this is all well worth over $12 a month. I think everything for the most part that I received is stuff that I would use on a daily basis. Some brands I have heard of, some I haven't, but either way I think everything that's in this bag is really cool and I'm definitely excited to be trying all these things out. Up next we have the Glam Bag Plus, and this is $25 a month, and of course you do get a couple more things in here. So the first thing that I'm going to show you guys is, actually I'm going to start off with one of my favorite things that I got. So first I got this candle. I love that it's a matte black and it has the gold letters on it, which I think is so cute. It also smells like, I already smelled this. It smells so good. It smells like cologne, and it's also black in here as well. I think this is so cute for the holidays. I'm going to be lighting this up ASAP. In here I also got this satin sleeping mask. I've never actually used one of these before, but I'm going to be trying it out because it's so soft. So this is really cute, and again it's satin and it just says Ipsy with gold letters. So really cute. So next I got this translucent powder by the brand Ciate. I think that's how you pronounce it. I've never actually tried their stuff, but I have seen them in stores when I've gone to shop. Let me see if I can open it. So here's what it looks like. I love the fact that it's a loose translucent powder because I love baking, so I'm hoping this works for that. So yeah, this is the Ciate Extraordinary Translucent Powder. So up next we have the Laboratories Filgoria Paris. I've never actually heard of this brand before, so this is definitely new to me. So it says it's a super smoothing radiance eye care. So not mad at the skincare at all. I'm definitely into trying out new skincares right now, so I'm excited for this. Alright, so up next, I think a lot of people are going to be excited about this. This is the Huda Beauty Mauve's Obsession Palette. Can you guys believe I've never tried anything by Huda Beauty before? This will be my first time. I've never tried any of their palettes before. And I think this alone is already worth more than $25 if I'm not mistaken, so pretty good deal so far. Up next, we have this brush by Firma Beauty. This is the 103 brush. I've never heard of this brand either, but the brush feels really nice, and this would be perfect for blush or a little bit of bronzer. So looking forward to trying this out as well. And then lastly, we have some brushes by LaRousse. I already opened this. I have the brushes right over here, and it came with 4 face brushes, which I think is so cool. You can do pretty much your entire face with these 4 brushes. So the first brush that I got was this tapered face brush. I love using brushes like this to apply my face powder. This is like perfect for me. And then it came with a kabuki brush. This is perfect if you like to apply your foundation with a brush instead of a sponge, or if you like to apply any cream products, this is also perfect for that as well. It also came with a contour blending brush. I actually really like to use these brushes to dust off the translucent powder after I finish baking. And then lastly, we have a flat angle brush. This is perfect if you want to accentuate your contour. Overall, I think this is such a unique brush, and I think it's really cool to have in your collection. And yeah, so here are all the 4 brushes. So that's everything that I received in the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus for the month of October. So yeah, my overall opinion, I believe both bags are worth well over the $12 and the $25 that the monthly subscription cost. I feel you get really good products and a really good deal for everything that comes in the bags. So like I said, if you guys are interested in signing up for the Glam Bag, I'll make sure to put the link down below so you guys can check them out. A huge thank you to Ipsy for sending me the products. And I think that concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.